Hello students. Today we are going to start our unit 4 that consists of short stories. The first short story that we are going to take in this lecture is The Luncheon, written by William Somerset Maugham. Let's start with the story. First, the author William Somerset Maugham. He was a writer of short stories, novels and plays, born in Paris. His parents died before he was 10 and he went back to England and was educated at King's School. He has written so many famous works, and some of these are Human Bondage, The Moon and Sixpence, very famous Cakes and Ale, The Razor's Edge, The Circle, Arbiters. This story, The Luncheon, is a short story written by a prominent author, Somerset Maugham, and the title of the text, The Luncheon, is very ironical because if we consult a dictionary, if we look the meaning of the word luncheon, we will find out that luncheon means light snake. But throughout the story, we can see that a light snack turns to be an abundant and expensive meal. The writer of The Luncheon in this short story relates about a lady who is an admirer of his stories. She wins the author's favor and expresses her wish to meet him at a very high-class restaurant at Fayette. He exposes the false motives of the modest eating habits of the middle classes with a touch of humor. The story is divided into 3 parts: Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. The first part is about the meeting of the book writer and the woman when they meet again after they last saw each other 20 years before, and then he starts to recall the luncheon at that day. Part 2 describes about having only communicated with her through email. The author is so excited to meet that woman of 40 who gives him the impression of having more teeth, wide and large, even than were necessary for any practical purpose. So the writer has imagined that the lady would be a very beautiful young lady. Since the author has only 80 francs to last him the rest of the month, he was very anxious about eating at the restaurant, which was very costly because it was attended by French senators, and that restaurant was demanded by the lady. The second part tells us further, it goes on further that she is consuming such rich food and drink. Contrary to that, she scolds Maugham for eating red meat as he has ordered mutton. Part 3 shows the end, in which the author explains that he is not a vindictive man, but he is happy to know that the immortal God has taken his revenge. He says that this woman who only eats light lunches and only one thing at a time weighs 21 stones. Now, let's see the analysis of this story. The story is full of irony. Irony we can see first in the title itself, which says The Luncheon, which literally means a light snack. But we have seen in the story that light snack is turned by that lady to be an abundant and expensive meal. The second thing we can say about this story, that this story is about a conflict between the ideas of appearance versus reality, words versus reaction. Appearance versus reality. The speaker in Luncheon wishes from the beginning that his date would be a beautiful woman. He imagines a portrayal of a graceful lady in his mind, but when he goes to have a lunch with her, she appears as a surprising blast, a total opposite to his imagination. It is also an idea of conflict between words versus actions. Not only her appearance, but there is a conflict between her words too. That she does not eat too much, but when it comes to eating, she orders so ostensibly being of higher social standing and wealth, for which the narrator had to pay a heavy cost. Now, this story gives a message to us. The first and foremost message of the story is that it is necessary to say no when it is necessary, as we should learn we should learn how to say no. If you are not ready for a task, you just say no, and that no should be very modest. People receive the impact of their own behavior. Third, when one tries to covet small gains, it may be possible that he have to suffer a great loss. Now, the assignment. These questions are very much important. First is justify the title of the story. You have to justify how the title The Luncheon is appropriate to the story. Question number 2, write a summary of the story. Question number 3, write a short note on the element of irony in the story. You have to comment on irony that is being used in this story by the author. Question number 4, what was the subtle revenge of the author in the story? Thank you, students.